In today's video, I'm going to style my hair using mousse. This is something that a lot of you have been asking me about and something that I never really did before. So I've been trying out mousse for approximately a week, and I'm going to kind of show you how I would use it, and then I'm going to talk about whether I prefer it to my old styling routine, and if not, why, and just kind of some pros and cons of using mousse when you're following the Curly Girl method. The mousse I'm using today is this Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. That was a tongue twister. And this is an unsponsored video. I actually had this because I bought it long ago and I just never really got into using it. And then I've been seeing it pop up on message boards, and I've been getting a lot of comments on my channel and questions, people asking me if you can use mousse when you're following the Curly Girl method. And the answer, of course, is yes, so long as that mousse is, you know, silicone free and alcohol free and free from all that other crap that you don't want to put in your hair. This mousse is probably not the best mousse that you can buy, but they all work very similarly. And so I felt like this was okay to use for this example. But this mousse contains, it doesn't really contain any quality ingredients, for lack of better words. There's isobutane and propane in it. That's basically like an expulsive agent that helps the mousse come out of the can. There's also a polyquat in that, and some of you have a lot of questions about polyquats. Polyquats sometimes get lumped into the same category as silicone because they can build up on the hair over time, but I found for me, even my sulfate-free shampoo was enough of a cleanse to get that out of my hair, and I didn't really get a buildup. I mean, I'm sure if you were using it every single day and just co-washing, yes, there's a possibility that you would get a buildup, but that wasn't really the problem for me. And so if I really like this, I would continue to use this product. Through trial and error this week, I have realized that where gel and styling creams seem to work better for me when my hair is soaking, dripping wet in the shower, that is like the best way for me to apply them. With the mousse, it actually works better on damp hair. I find when I apply the mousse in the shower, by the time I get to the drying phase of my styling, it's completely gone from my hair and it is like a totally product-free look. So I just don't have any definition. And I just don't find it's enough hold for my curls. It doesn't last any more than an hour. So again, through trial and error, I've decided that for me, applying mousse to damp hair works a lot better. So this is my damp hair. I just washed my hair, and I washed my hair using my regular Tresemme silicone-free conditioner. So I washed my hair using that conditioner, then I put a little bit more conditioner in and scrunched it into my hair and rinsed it with cool water, and here I am. If you want to see how I actually apply the conditioner to my hair and wash my hair with conditioner, and some people want to see everything, if you would like to see that, I'm going to leave a little link up here and one in the description box to a video that actually shows me washing my hair in the shower with conditioner. Today, you're just going to have to take my word for it, and I'm going to show you how I apply this mousse. I just break my hair up into two sections. I'm just going to take this top part of my hair and pin it on top of my head, very briefly, just to get it out of the way. I'm going to shake up my mousse. Again, my hair is damp. Roughly a golf ball sized amount, maybe a little more if your hair is longer. I'm going to start right up at the roots, and I'm going to praying hands it through my hair. My hair is not super thick. It looks thick. I have a lot of really fine hairs. If your hair is really thick, you might need 2 golf balls, but this seems to work for me. So golf ball sized amount, praying hands, smooth it over my hair. Okay, so that was the 2 sections on the bottom. I said break your hair up into 2 sections, but really it's 4. And then I'm going to let this whole top part down. Golf ball, praying hands it through my hair. The other side, golf ball. One more for the top and the back of my hair, which I always miss, so just a little bit on the top and the back. And then I'm going to scrunch the crap out of my hair. So now the mousse is in my hair. and you could either decide to continue to let your hair air dry, which gave me a more defined but less voluminous kind of look, or you can diffuse your hair, and that's what I'm choosing to do today. And I'm very excited to show you guys something. A company finally sent me a hair dryer. So if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know what my old hair dryer looked like. The universal diffuser didn't even fit on the end of it, so I had it kind of duct taped on. It was a mess. So anyway, this company, never heard of them before, Jinri, they sent me this dryer. They're not paying me to do an advertisement for them. I just wanted to show this dryer because I really do like it. There's a couple things I really like about it. I like the diffuser that came with it, but the universal diffusers will fit on this dryer because it has a very tapered barrel. The other thing is that it has multiple adjustments, so you can really control the amount of heat you're using, and you can really control the force that is coming out of the dryer. And I never had this option before, so I really do like this dryer. I'm very excited to have it. When I diffuse my hair, I use it on like a low to medium setting with very little heat. So it is like a warm to cool. I kind of go back and forth with the warm and cool button. I don't diffuse my hair as strategically as some people because that's just not the kind of person I am. I do it a little bit haphazardly. I'm going to diffuse my hair and then I'm going to come back and talk about the mousse. This is my final result. I am blown away by these results. There's still a little bit of a cast, which I'm kind of trying to break up a little bit more. But I can't get over how shiny and curly my hair is. It is crazy. And I have lots of volume, and my hair just looks really healthy. I'm loving it. I'm going to show you the back of my hair. Things I liked about the mousse: it was cheap, it was easy to find, it was easy to apply to my hair, and it gave me a lot of curls and a lot of volume. Things I didn't like about the mousse were the ingredients list was not the best, and I found it doesn't have as much longevity as my gel. So yes, it lasts throughout the day, but then I find I can't really refresh my hair the next day. My hair looks limp and weighed down the next day, and so I would probably get in the shower and co-wash or sulfate-free shampoo my hair the day after using this mousse. But otherwise, I loved it. So there's mousse. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you try it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. You can give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Subscribe to my channel. We're getting closer and closer to 100K, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.